Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're working on Fiverr, this video is a must-watch because a new scam is on the rise, targeting sellers just like you. Spammers are sending deceptive messages, trying to steal your personal information, and even getting some freelancers into serious trouble. But don't worry, we're here to expose their tricks and show you exactly how to stay safe. It's tricky, and even experienced freelancers can get caught out. So stick around till the end so you don't fall victim to these scammers. Many Fiverr sellers, especially new freelancers, have been receiving suspicious messages like this from so-called clients. The scammer client sends a screenshot that looks like an order confirmation or a payment page. Then they ask for your inbox details, email address, or other sensitive information, saying it's necessary to complete the order. They might even pressure you, saying they can't proceed without it. It's not just new sellers being targeted. Even experienced freelancers who recently uploaded a new gig have reported receiving these messages. While it might seem legit at first, especially if you're new and eager for work, this is a classic scam. Experienced freelancers might recognize it immediately, but it's easy to fall for if you're just starting or if you've recently posted a new gig. The scammers are targeting both new and slightly more seasoned freelancers. We must remember that real Fiverr clients never need your email, inbox details, bank details, card number, or sensitive info to place an order. Everything is handled within the Fiverr platform. When a client places an order, you'll see it on your dashboard. You don't need to exchange personal information. Sharing your email or other personal details within the Fiverr inbox message is actually against Fiverr's terms of service. Doing so could get your account suspended or even permanently disabled. It's that serious. Fiverr has these rules in place to protect both buyers and sellers. Keeping communication within the platform ensures a safe and transparent process for everyone. So, what should you do if you receive a message like this? First, do not share any personal information. Second, report the message to Fiverr immediately. They have a process for handling these kinds of scams and will take appropriate action against the scammer. Stay safe out there, freelancers. By being aware of these scams and following these tips, you can protect yourself and your Fiverr account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Fiverr tips, and share it with your fellow freelancers so they can stay safe too. Thanks for watching.